You're on the lizard team?
Yeah.
Now tell me what you're doing.
I'm eating a green bean.
We are about to witness history in the making. You got a mouthful of noodles in your mouth. Okay, now what are you gonna do? You better do it quick because the noodles are fading away. You better get it, shove it in there.
Pop in your mouth.
Shove it, shove it. Do the whole thing. Get rid of it. Your body's gonna throw a party. Green jersey wearing soccer players have to eat green vegetables. You have to do it. Come on.
You can do it. Good. Now pop the green bean in there. Yeah.
Pop it. Pop it. You don't need any more noodles. Pop it. Whole thing. Just like a pretzel. Pop it in. Come on, you can do it.
Pop that chip.
Pop it in. No, you see, you're making it last longer. Just put it in there. Oh my word. We have witnessed an amazing event. Brayden ate a green bean. Woo! And for his prize, a coconut cookie ball. Now that is a face of determination right there.
I did it.